Don't be fooled by the deluge of propaganda stating that the war is between Russia and Ukraine. Rather, it is a war between technocracy and the rest of the planet.
Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne, and today's epiphany came from realizing that the public health crisis is being exploited to usher in a new global system of technocratic control and compliance. We must awaken from our stupor and refuse to accept what is shaping up to be the dystopian power grab of the century.
As the nation-state model of government dissolves, it is set to be replaced by leaders of the corporate world, central bank oligarchs, and private financial institutions. If it all goes to plan, during the breakdown of the global supply chain, the financial and currency systems will also break down, allowing central banks, emergency powers, to replace our physical currencies with a system of digital currencies.
By the end of this video, you'll learn how the war is the doorway to technocracy and the Great Reset. Our freedom and liberty is being held to ransom by a small group of ugly old men with deep pockets.
Digital currencies require digital identity. Digital identity will then enable universal basic income and the rationing of all the necessities of life. Our current leadership is weak, so governments will bow. Technocracy will take over, and the Great Reset will be complete. Ukraine is the bedrock of the Great Reset digital EID wallet experimentation. This is merely a blueprint for the West. Central bankers plan to use the war as a reason to abolish cash and bring in programmable central banking digital currencies. Government-issued digital vouchers to tie people to a universal basic income, thereby creating permanent serfdom. It is now common knowledge that digital IDs are central to the World Economic Forum's Great Reset agenda. Digital IDs are to be streamlined across industries, supply chains, and markets as a way of advancing the UN 2030 Sustainable Development Goals and delivering individualized and integrated services in future smart cities. The globalists want an economy based on programmable currency, a digital ID connected biometric AI wallet, and a global social credit WEF ESG structure based on their technocratic values. COVID, Ukraine, a second pandemic, and climate change are simply how they plan to get there. If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.